War ka Batesi TV ka umdi basnyambak penjasliang Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
I request Mr. Augustine Kurba to come to the stage. Augustine Kurba is a gifted young music composer, arranger and producer from Shillong, known for his work in Bollywood, Jagga Jasus, Article 15 and the local Khasi music scene. Praised for his musical talent, introverted nature and contribution to songs like UCM, with recent work on tracks like Im Slem Kyang Namba, Kyanten Poila, Phlim Yudo and many others. Now I request Madam Suhasini Mule to kindly give away the trophy and awards to Augustine Kurba, Best Music Director for Apot.
Ka Phlim Khasi kabla ai kerteng ka Apot kabla direct bat penmi duba Rafael Warjri kala job ka khusnam kum ka best film ha ka aid Sailadhar Baruah Film Award Northeast Arajar Arpusan kala yo ka jingi tho kum ka film ka itna tam na ki film jong ka tha jate lamingi ini ka film kala yo ka certificate kum joru ka song pisa ka bastan phwa jar tingka National Film na Assam Uprakash Deka Layo ka kusnam Best Director nagabinta ka film jong u hakakitin Asmis Kanora Katbau Sanjeev Sabha Pandit Pan Layo kum u Best Writer nagabinta ka film jong u hakakitin Asmis ka Akash Hino Nadir Nam Uba Augustine Kurba layo ka kusnam Best Music Director nagabinta ka film Apot Best Cinematography Part layo daka Aniruddha Baruah nabinta ka film Asmis Katarik Barumanas Goswami layo kum u Best Sound Designer nagabinta ka film Nora